Well, good morning and of course, good evening traders from across the globe. Thank you for tuning in to my 2676th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Kids, thank you so much for tuning in. It is Thursday afternoon. This video is for trading on Friday, again, January 1st, 2023. Before we get started, please know this is a very risky game. Risky. Trading anything that you can trade from Wall Street is risky, even if it's not from Wall Street. Trading is risky. What do you need to do about that? Mitigate that risk. Put your stops in. Put them in first before you get into a trade. Put those protective stops on, all right? Let's get moving. For trading, on Jan 1st, Friday, you're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average Daily Bar Chart. This very same chart we've been using in many videos, and when we made this gap right here, I brought this chart out and I put this on the chart. Say hello to Santa. And I told everybody it's not going to go straight up, but we are now going to start to go, and the Santa rally should begin. Nothing goes straight up. You can go back, 10 days and find this video, 15 days ago. You can find this video and you can see that I absolutely called it. Say hello to Santa. This is now the beginning of the big rally. And I mentioned nothing goes straight up. So down day here, down day here, down day here. Nothing goes straight up, but it's on its way. And look at the move that took place today on 11:30. So it is happening. The Santa rally is starting to come into play. You know, we got a lot of time till Christmas, kids. So there's time for them to rally it. This is the only chart I was going to show you tonight because it speaks for itself. This is what the market wants to do as we get through December. It's already starting on December 1st, or I should say the last day of November. It won't do this every day, but it is going to go higher, especially that the bonds have dropped and crude has dropped so much. It will help push the stock market higher as days and weeks ahead move forward. I will be buying dips in certain indices for trading on Friday, and I hope you do the same. Traders, please subscribe to these videos. Stop what you're doing. Look right below the video. Subscribe right now. Make sure you're alerted so each and every time I put out one of these educational videos, you are prepared for the next day's trading. And then come join me in my free live site. It's livewithoscar.com. It's absolutely free, and you can hang out with me here in my live trading room, and it costs you nothing, not even a credit card. So come say hello. That's me waving to you now. Come say hello at livewithoscar.com. Subscribe to the videos right here at YouTube, and I will see you at the site. Traders, remember to keep your emotions out of this game. I tell you this in every video. I've told you this for thousands of videos. How do you keep your emotions out? Say this to yourselves over and over again. I'll help you with it. Are you ready? Say this with me. 1, 2, 3. Come on, kids. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. Put your stops in. Keep your emotions out. And I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.